Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download PUBG Mobile on your Android device. To download and install PUBG Mobile on Android is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store on your Android and then go to the search icon at the bottom right. In the search box, type in PUBG Mobile and search. Look for this application that says PUBG Mobile and then tap on the install button to start downloading the app. Wait for a couple of minutes until the application is installed. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, and once the download is complete, you can tap on the play button to launch the game. You can also find the PUBG Mobile icon in your home screen or in your apps list to start playing, and that's it. You've successfully installed and downloaded PUBG Mobile on your Android device. If this tutorial was helpful, like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.